Hey everybody, welcome to Frannie's Hair. I wanted to pop on quickly to tell you about a special deal we're having right now at frannieshair.com. Right now, you can get gray wigs from the Adorans brands, and those brands include Noriko, Alexandra Couture, Amour, and Renee of Paris. You can get gray wigs from those brands at an extra discount by using the discount code GRAY35. When you use that code during checkout, you'll get 35% off of these gray wigs. What I love about the Adorans brand's grays is number one, there are so many of them, and number two, they are unique and beautiful. There are 30 grays included in this special. Right now I'm wearing Vero in Silverstone, their number one selling gray color. I'm going to spin and show you the color. Isn't that beautiful? I'm also going to read to you about the color. Okay, Silverstone is described as silver, medium brown blend that transitions to more silver, then medium brown, then to silver bangs. So you can see it is lighter in the front, and when I spun for you, you probably saw that it was darker in the back. So pretty. And for those of you looking for some brown with your gray, this is a great color. Now Vero is a heat-friendly wig, so the color actually looks a little bit different on a non-heat-friendly wig, which I'm going to show you in a second. But the other thing that I wanted to say about the Adorans brands and their grays is that they put them in all different styles, not just their short wigs. And that's what I love about it. I just think the gray looks so beautiful in a style like this that is very elegant and I think glamorous. Now there's 30 grays included in this deal, and I'll list them all in the description below. But right now I'm going to show you another wig that's not heat friendly in this same color. Okay, this is Nikki. She's not heat friendly and she's in the same color Silverstone. So you can see that she still has the lighter front, and I'm going to spin for you and you'll see how she gets darker around back, particularly around the bottom. And she has a nice little stacked bob in the back here. So you can see that. Now let me show you the difference between the heat-friendly version and the non-heat-friendly version. You can see that this looks a little bit shinier. If you don't like that, you can give it a cold soak with some baking soda, or you can spray it with some dry shampoo. And then of course over time it does lose its shine naturally. Now I don't know if you saw my recent budget-friendly wigs video that I did with Marlene, but she also had a few of the Adorans brand's grays in that video as well. I'm going to put some pictures up here of some different grays that I've shown over time and some from that video with Marlene. And as I said, I'll list in the description all the grays that are included in this deal. Okay, I don't want to take up a lot of your time. I just wanted to let you know about this special deal. It will be running through July 23rd. Head on over to frannieshair.com. Get yourself some gray wigs. And if you have any questions at all, put them in the comments below. Also, don't forget we have a private Facebook group, Frannie's Hair. Come on over, join us. We have wig experts there to answer your questions. And if you want to know what any of the grays look like on a wig, on a person, you can come over there and ask people to show their wigs in the color you're interested in, or show the wig that you're interested in. It's a really great, fun group, very supportive. I hope you'll join us, and we also have exclusive deals over there. All right, as always, thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Remember to make it your own, and I'll see you soon.